Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my students. How are you today? Long time no see. I wish that you are fine, you are healthy, you still have energy, you still in good condition also, and you are happy with your family also in home. Well, welcome back with Mr. Ivan, and today Mr. Ivan wants to show you about our material, yeah, our material. So this is our material, class. Yeah, let's continue our material in English chess grade 3, and today we are going to talk about food. Do you like eating? Yes, I do believe that you are very like to eat. Yeah, but do you know what favorite Mr. Ivan favorite food is? Who? Who can guess what Mr. Ivan favorite food is? I want to show you what is my favorite food. Here, I want to show you what is my favorite food. Okay, my favorite food is chicken noodle. Yeah, do you know chicken noodle? Yes, mie ayam in Indonesia. Yeah, Mr. Ivan likes chicken noodles. Do you like chicken noodles, class? Yeah, some student likes chicken noodle. But what's your favorite food? Yeah, tell me about your favorite food. Maybe you like fried chicken? Do you like fried chicken? Good. Do you like pizza? Yeah. Do you like burger? Yes, good. Do you like soup? Or do you like spaghetti? Yeah. Today we are going to talk about food. Our topic today is talking about food, and it is on your book page 76. So open your book page 76, and I want to share about some foods are there in that book. Okay, class, let's continue. Yeah. Okay, let me share. Okay, this one, class. Okay, so do you know this kind of food? Yes, sandwich. Repeat after me. Sandwich. I like sandwich. Can you repeat? I like sandwich. So repeat after me. I like sandwich. Good. I like sandwich. That's right. This is sandwich. 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 Next. Do you know this picture? That's right. Chicken. I like chicken. Repeat after me. I like chicken. That's right. I like chicken. How do you spell chicken? Let's learn together. Chicken. Chicken. Okay. Next. Do you know this one, class? This is beef. I like beef. You know, from cow, moo, cow. This is beef. Okay, repeat after me. I like beef. That's right. I like beef. Now, how do you spell beef? B E E F. Beef. Very good. Now let's continue. Yeah, this is one kind of vegetables. Do you know this one? That's right. This is tomato. I like tomato. Repeat after me. I like tomato. Very good. How do you spell tomato? T O M A T O. Tomato. The last one. Do you know this kind of vegetables? That's right. This is lettuce. I like lettuce. Repeat after me. I like lettuce. Very good. Yeah, how do you spell lettuce? L E T T U C E. Lettuce. That's right. Now you can learn about kind of fruit are there in that book. Next one, I want to give you the listening test. So it's on your book page 76. So you can hear the audio, yeah, and then you number on your book. Okay, wait a minute, please. Okay, class, let's continue. Page 76. Are you ready? Prepare your pencil or pen. Okay, so this same with your book, right? So listen the audio and then number it. Understand? Okay.
Want a sandwich, please? Track 51. Word chips. 76. A. Listen and number. Number sandwich. Number lettuce. Lettuce.
That's right, class. So the audio from number 1 until 5. So listen and number 1 until 5. Do it on your book, page 76. After that, if you finish, share your answer to my WhatsApp number. Okay? Let's continue our study. Okay, class. Next, we are going to study about this one. Okay. Okay. So focus on this picture. We talk about food. Yeah. Example. Do you want pizza or sandwich? Yeah. So two answer. Pizza or sandwich? Just one. Do you want a pizza or a sandwich? I want a sandwich, please. Good. Next, do you want tomato or lettuce in your sandwich? I want tomato, please. Get it, class? For example, I give you example. Do you want pizza or burger? I want a pizza, please. Good. Do you want pizza or spaghetti? I want a spaghetti, please. Get it, class? Good. Yeah. And then, let's continue. Today we are going to talk about listening test. This is on page 77. Page 77. So you have to open your book, page 77. Here I want to give you the listening test. Yeah. So listen, you may repeat by yourself. Yeah. Okay, this one.
Listening test. 77. 3. Talk, listen, and read. Yes, I'm starving. I want to stay home. I want chicken soup, please.
Okay, that's it. So this is the listening test. So you repeat after the audio. Okay.
Track 52. Listening test. Page 77. C. Talk, listen, and read.
Are you hungry?
Are you
Yes,
hungry?
I'm starving.
Yes,
Do
I'm
you want to
starving.
eat out or stay home?
Do you want to eat or stay home?
I want to stay home.
I want to stay
Okay.
home. Okay.
Do you want salad or chicken soup?
Do you want a salad or chicken soup?
I want chicken soup, please.
I want a chicken soup, please. So you can repeat by yourself. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm starving. Starving means hungry. Do you want to eat out in a restaurant? Yeah, or stay home? I want to stay home. It's like you are stay at home with your family. Okay. Do you want a salad or chicken soup? Mm, I want chicken soup, please. Okay, get it, class? Yeah, that's enough for listening. After that, you do your exercise, page 77, part D. Complete the sentence. Yeah, number 1 until number 3. So, take a picture of your answer to my WhatsApp number. Okay, so your homework is page 76 and 77. Okay, so you can submit your task until Sunday. Okay, until Sunday. I'm waiting until Sunday. It's easy. Okay, class? That's enough from Mr. Ivan. Thank you for your attention and see you the next video. So, don't forget, stay at home. Yeah, always wash your hands. Anything, you wash your hands. Okay, I think enough from Mr. Ivan. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.